Merry Christmas, guys! Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make turkey wings, spicy turkey wings. In here, I have my turkey wings. I'm going to be spicing it up. And in here are the spices I'm going to be using. I have bay leaf, curry powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, onions powder, salt, and I also have negro pepper, turmeric powder as well. I'm going to be using all that to spice it up. Here are my fresh spices I'm going to be using: ginger, garlic, onions, habanero pepper, and stock cube. I'm going to be blending all that together, and I'm going to be mixing it all in these turkey wings. Now I'm gonna start. I'm just going to be putting them in sections so that it can be mixed properly. That's my blended onions, ginger, garlic, and the pepper, and the stock cube as well. I'm going to mix it thoroughly so that every wing gets its own yummy spice on it. And I'm going to let it marinate for 2 hours or more. Then I'm going to boil it. After boiling, then I'm going to put it in the oven to grill it. That is it. So I'm going to let it rest for 2 hours. My chicken is ready. My turkey wings are ready now. I'm cooking it now. It's completely cooked now. I'm just going to bring them out. That is it. So now it's ready to go in the oven. Just arrange them in my oven tray. Going to be grilling it. Now my wings are ready. Thank you for joining me. If you've not tried your turkey wings like this, try it. It's so yummy and it's very spicy. And Merry Christmas, everyone. Love you guys. Bye. Thanks for joining me.